Okay, in this lesson, I want to tell you how you can import your assets, default asset in Vue. If you, for example, go to, for example, open something, you can see in a scene, arrow will be appear here. If you click, it tells you you have to download it because the own software is discontinued and it's going to Bentley system. All the links are broken and you have to separately download them. It's very simple. Going to storeownsoftware.com software center. Don't forget to create a free account. And if you going down below in software center, you can come here and you can access additional 3D asset. You can download all of them and then simply add your scene. It's very easy, I'll tell you now. For accessing where is the library of the Vue. For example, if you want to load objects, you can see it's a simple library of object that you have download all of them, but you can merge your folder here. For doing that, you can open that and you can see it's the link of the program file, your own software Vue and in objects. So simple. All of the library and objects of Vue is in the one place. If you go to the file and the option and in the import here, in the import a content folder, it's a content folder. If you edit, you can see it's a Vue content library or plant catalog, plant factory catalog that contain lots of trees that you have downloaded separately. It's very huge. And it's their program file and you can edit and copy this address. And you can see it's there. Okay, you can see it's here. You will see program data, own software Vue. And now you can access to all of the library, the Vue software, point this folder and, for example, bring objects, rocks, scene. And this is my Vue extra that I download here. You can download all of them, but I tell you how to import one folder and you can do like other. It's very simple. You don't need to do anything. Just choose all of these scenes and don't worry. Just copy and paste here. For example, don't worry about the scene. For example, it's the same folder. It's automatically in the Windows add the additional asset that are in extra to default. You can simply copy and right click and paste here. And automatically add all of these objects inside and add to default folder and done. And then you can close and close and close your Vue. You can go to the file and simply close. And then you can open a new or simple new object and then go. I suggest that you completely close your Vue and then reopen it. Okay. Now I insert into scene and then access, for example, to objects. Now you can see I have all of these objects and you can insert them in your scene with double click. And it's there. F to focus on that. You can see you can import your objects, very simple, in Vue. So you can download all of other content, for example, rocks, trees, and other things. For example, trees, I think. Yeah, we have tree, right click. Yeah, these are installed content or the plant catalog that you have to insert them separately. It's very easy. Just find the plant catalog. That will explain it later, and you can install your package there. You don't need to install them, actually just drag and drop it to the folder. Planet catalog, you can open it from here. Open it and you can see it's the view plants factory. You have to insert your plants factory, very simple, in this category. Okay, you can download the plants factory catalog and just insert it to the folder that I showed you.